How to log in into your LinkedIn account using mobile device. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you want to log in into your LinkedIn account, first of all make sure you have the latest version of the LinkedIn application. In order to update the application to the latest version, you can visit your Play Store and App Store and tap on the update button. Once that is done, just tap open the LinkedIn app and you will see the interface to get logged in. The process includes sign in with Google or sign in with Facebook or Apple ID, and you also have a place to give in your email address and the password. You can choose any of the option. For now, I'll be choosing on email address. Now, using my Google account, in fraction of seconds, I have been logged in. So you just have to tap open on sign in with Google, select the Google account, and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.